Zordar Talia, everybody, for Vinita Surana, everyone. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it louder for Vinita Surana, everyone. She's the founder of Surana Group, and she's here to share her thoughts of empowering women entrepreneurs, strategies for equitable success. Let's have you on the stage, ma'am.
It is time we celebrate that. Gone are the days when people pull each other down. Nowadays, it's all about collaborative spirit, compassion, and rooting for each other. Let's grow together. Good afternoon, distinguished guests, fellow entrepreneurs, investors, and esteemed leaders. It is an absolute honor to stand in front of you today at the UIACC Business Summit 2024. I would take this moment to express my utmost gratitude to Sairam for giving me this honor. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for having me, and a special shout out to Sairam Prasad. Today I'm here to speak on a topic close to my heart, empowering women entrepreneurs and having strategies for equitable success. As we gather here, we are not only celebrating the journey of women in business, but also the collaborative spirit that drives us to grow together. As the executive director of Surana Group of Companies, which is primarily into solar, real estate, and copper, I have seen firsthand how industries typically dominated by men can be influenced by women leaders. In our company, the shift towards sustainability, particularly in the solar energy, is a reflection of how women can drive businesses not only to be profitable, but also be purposeful. I'm happy to share that after I joined the business, 70% of our workforce are now women. We noticed that women are more loyal, we have less attrition, and they are definitely more hardworking and more focused. I'm proud to share that because of these efforts and many more strategies that we have in play, we have grown from a 400 crore company to now a 1400 crore business conglomerate. Thank you. About 4 years ago, I was fortunate enough to add another vertical and enter the world of investment by forming VS Capital Ventures, also known as Win-Win Situation Ventures. When I used to go to incubation centers and talk to startup founders, their hunger and hustle really impressed me. What I did was I brought our resources to their innovation, and we have been able to scale companies exponentially. At VS Capital Ventures, we have been fortunate to support a wide array of startups, from gaming to UI UX, from data analytics to innovative services. What started as a personal mission to empower early-stage startups has now grown into a fund that aims to drive innovation across industries. My magic formula has been simple. I've always bet on the founders more than the product or the service. The founders are the game changers and the leaders of tomorrow. With the right kind of mentorship, they are able to take their businesses to the next level. As I've worked closely with founders, men and women alike, I've found inclusive leadership plays a crucial role in shaping not just companies, but entire sectors. But when women are empowered to lead, they bring diverse perspective that leads long-term sustainability. Yet, what is often missing from the conversation is ensuring these opportunities are accessible to women from all backgrounds, creating an ecosystem where success is not achievable only to a select few, but for all. I congratulate UIACC as they are committed to breaking those barriers, providing equitable opportunities, and fostering a supportive ecosystem for women entrepreneurs. This summit is not just about discussing strategies, it's about celebrating the triumphs of every woman here today. A woman who has fought against all odds to achieve success. I would like to leave you with a thought which I have learned over the years and now has become a part of my ecosystem. Stay humble in your wins and brave in your losses. But every day, every single day, play like a champ. Play like you're born to win, and may you conquer the world. May you rise over all challenges thrown to you, and may you live your greatest life. Thank you.